Hello, in this video I want to show you how to remove and replace main rotating rubber brushes on iRobot Roomba E5. And to do this, first let's pick up the robot itself, and then we should be able to find this green hatch right here. Simply pull on it and then pull it up. This should remove this open up actually this lever, and then we just need to remove the brushes like this and like this. Now to replace them, we'll need to take a look on each of the brush because they have different sizes. So this one is square, and this is, I think the word is pentagon, I'm not sure, but you can also see the indicators right here for that. So now just align them like this and then stick them inside. This one is placed right, and this one the same. And now all we have to do is just close this hatch. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.